fixing the high level brake light on a Ford Fiesta Mk7 and Mark 7.5. Hi all, Andy here and welcome back to the channel. Now this bulb tends to blow on Ford Fiesta Mk7s and 7.5s, and of course it would be an MOT failure, but today I'm going to show you the easy fix for replacing the bulb in the high level brake light. It's only got 2 bolts holding it in place and it's a really simple fix, so I'm going to show you how to do that now. And these 2 bolts are T20 Torx bits. So you need a T20 Torx bit, screwdriver or Allen key, and you simply just remove these 2 bolts. Now if you are fitting a rear view dash cam on this car, you'd also need to remove this as part of the job. So if you're interested in that video on fitting a rear view dash cam on this car, then please do click the link above. And with the 2 bolts removed, you can see it's already coming away. Now you just pull it forward like that. Now there is an electrical connector on the back of this, and of course there is the feed for the washer fluid right here. So it's best to remove this whole thing. So simply just remove the washer fluid pipe, being careful not to break the washer fluid pipe. And I find the best way to remove the washer fluid pipe is to take a plastic separation tool and just put it between the 2 and peel it back. Just like that. Make sure the pipe doesn't go back inside the car. And then the electrical connector is just a push clip at the top, which will release, and then the plug slides off, and then you have got the whole rear light removed. And with this removed, that is literally it, because it's a sealed unit and you have to buy the entire piece. Now you can buy these on Amazon and eBay for about £20, and I will leave a link to this part in this video description so you can find one yourself. And refitting is simply a reverse of the removal. So you take the electrical connector and you press it on like so until it locks into position. You take the rubber hose for the rear washers, place it back on like so, feed that back into the mechanism until you feel the light go all the way home. Simply take your 2 bolts, reattach the rear light, and that is it. That is a simple way to replace the high level brake light on your Ford Fiesta Mark 7.5. If you've enjoyed this video, then please do give it a thumbs up, and also think about subscribing to my channel if you've not already done so, where you'll find a whole host of content on the Ford Fiesta Mark 7 and of course the Audi TT Mark 1. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon. Take care.